Hi friends, today we are exploring the Satkosia Wildlife Sanctuary, which is one of the geographical wonders of not only Odisha but I think of the entire country, India. Satkosia, which the Mahanadi River flows through mountains of the Eastern Ghats and the Chotana Plateau for almost 22 kilometers in serpentine path and has very deep water. It is one of the most incredible places in the whole of South Asia. So, Baisipalli Wildlife Sanctuary is an extension of Satkosia, which is little far from the river, and this forest is also pristine. And we are in the middle of the Baisipalli Wildlife Sanctuary, and with me, a family of Desiakon tribe who live here, and you can see how beautifully they have built their house, and you can see the kind of jyotis, the mural art they make and to appease their goddesses during certain months of the year, which are ritual months. It's really incredible. And where I'm sitting, it is also the place where the chickens are kept. This is how this place, the architecturally, how beautiful it is organized. The space is organized.
Satkosia Tiger Reserve is one of India's most incredible biospheres. Where the dense tropical forest of the Deccan Plateau meets the majestic hills of the Gadojat in upland central Odisha. The mighty Mahanadi River flows like a snake for 22 kilometers. Baisipalli Wildlife Sanctuary is the extension of Satkosia, filled with dense tropical forest and meadows. Geographically speaking, Baisipalli is located in the eastern highlands, moist deciduous forest ecosystem. The sanctuary has derived its name from 22 villages that exist within its limit. From Badmul, as you drive through the pristine forest road, you are first drawn to the shrine of a forest deity of Ma Bhattapanthei. A humble shrine of the mother goddess under a large canopied tree. The goddess, according to local belief, protects the jungle folks and their domestic cattle and sheep goats from the attack of tigers.
ମାନେ ଇଏ କହନ୍ତି ଠାକୁରାଣୀ ଭାରି ପ୍ରିୟ ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ, ମାନେ ଅନେକ ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ପାଖରୁ ଶୁଣିଛୁ ଆମେ, ସେ ରାତିରେ ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ଧରିକି ଆସିଥିବେ, ସେଠୁ ତାଙ୍କ ଗାଡ଼ି ଆଉ ଚାଲିବନି, ସେ ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ତ ଫୋପାଡ଼ିଲା ପରେ ଗାଡ଼ି ଯିବ ଯାଇକି। ଇଏ ମା ଉପରେ ଏତେ ଭରସା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର, ତାମାନେ ଜଙ୍ଗଲରେ ଛେଳି ମଇଁଷି ବଳଦ ଗାଈ ସବୁ ବୁଲୁଥିବେ ଯେମିତି ତାହାକୁ କେବେ ବାଘ ଧରିବନି କଥା।
On your way, you come across several small villages at meadows surrounded by dense forest. After a 10-minute drive from the shrine of the forest goddess, you are at Sagadabanga village. Sagadabanga is a small village of 8 to 10 families of Deshiakant community. They are subsistence farmers and also live on the gathering of forest produces. The house walls are richly illustrated with murals in white color using rice flour paste. You also see a beautifully painted Tulsi Chora basil shrine made of earth. You are invited by a family to spend some time and listen to their stories.
এটা জনা পড়িব না।
The village is full of immersive stories ranging from jungle adventures to sustainable farming practices. While you are in an informal chat, your attention goes towards a pair of wild boar which is successfully domesticated by the villagers. Your further drive to Kunariag Wetland, a medium-sized irrigation project at the heart of Baisipalli, brings you to yet another surprise. Here you meet fisherfolk engaged in sustainable fishing activity. While returning, it becomes dark. After the sunset, the forest drive becomes even more adventurous and thrilling. It is at midnight. The adventure spirit in you could not stop you venturing into forest for a prospective animal sighting. However, you return disappointed. Anyway, animal sighting is always a chance and one has to be patient. Baisipalli is a secret jewel of Satkosia. It is a perfect blend of nature and indigenous culture.